Compliance and implementation of the AI Act. Case studies and practical examples. Compliance with the AI Act isn't just about knowing the rules. It's about understanding how they apply in real-world situations. In this session, we'll look at case studies from different industries, including healthcare, e-commerce, autonomous vehicles, banking, and public security. These examples will highlight the challenges organizations face when implementing AI, the best practices that help ensure compliance, the consequences of getting it wrong. They will help you gain a practical understanding of how the AI Act works in real-world scenarios. Let's start with XYZ Healthcare, a company that developed an AI-powered diagnostic tool. While the technology was promising, it raised major compliance concerns, including data protection, ensuring patient records remain secure and confidential, algorithmic transparency, making sure doctors understood how AI reached its conclusions, user consent, ensuring patients were informed and agreed to AI-assisted diagnostics. To overcome these issues, XYZ Healthcare conducted thorough risk assessments, worked closely with regulators and stakeholders, implemented clear explanations of AI decisions. Based on proactive compliance measures, the company met AI Act requirements, but gained trust from patients and healthcare providers. Next, let's look at an e-commerce platform that used AI-powered recommendations to suggest products to customers. However, bias in the algorithm led to certain demographics receiving different recommendations, creating unintended discrimination, a clear violation of the AI Act's fairness principles. To fix this, the company audited its AI algorithms to detect and eliminate bias, increased transparency, providing clear explanations on how recommendations were made, integrated consumer feedback, allowing users to report unfair AI-driven suggestions. These corrective actions not only ensured compliance but also restored customer trust in the platform. Autonomous vehicles are one of the most complex AI-driven technologies, facing strict safety regulations under the AI Act. A major autonomous vehicle manufacturer struggled with who is liable in accidents, the AI system or the human operator. How to make ethical decisions. What happens in emergency crash situations? Proving AI safety compliance. Meeting the AI Act's strict testing requirements. To address these issues, the company conducted extensive risk assessments, worked closely with regulatory bodies to define liability and compliance measures, implemented strict AI testing and monitoring protocols to ensure safety and reliability. These measures allowed them to successfully meet compliance standards while keeping public safety and trust at the core. AI plays a critical role in multiple sectors beyond just healthcare and e-commerce. Let's look at 3 different use cases. AI in banking, fraud detection. Banks use AI to detect fraud, but compliance requires explainability. They must justify why transactions are flagged. Strict data protection measures are essential to avoid violating consumer privacy. AI in hiring. Many companies use AI to screen job applicants, but biased algorithms can discriminate unfairly. To comply with the AI Act, businesses must regularly audit their hiring AI to ensure fairness and transparency. Facial recognition in public security. Law enforcement uses facial recognition, but accuracy and privacy are major concerns. Compliance requires strict data protection and clear guidelines on ethical AI use. Each of these industries shows why compliance isn't optional. Failure to meet AI Act requirements can lead to legal, financial, and reputational damage. The real-world examples we've covered prove one thing: AI compliance is not just about following rules. It's about responsible AI development. Across industries, the same key challenges emerge. Data protection must be a priority. AI systems must safeguard user information. Algorithmic transparency is critical. Users and regulators must understand how AI decisions are made. Collaboration with regulatory bodies makes compliance easier and more effective. Proactive governance reduces risks. Companies that prioritize compliance early avoid legal trouble and gain a competitive advantage. Understanding the AI Act isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about building AI systems that are ethical, fair, and beneficial for society.